small side thing here. I ordered myself this wheel size width ET calculation fitting tool, so I assume everyone understand what this is doing. This is for the 5-bolt pattern. As you can see, currently I have the 4-bolt setting, but I have the hubs for the 5-bolt, so I will switching the hubs when I'm doing the measuring, but I'm not yet there. But I already purchased the tool. So you put this on the hub and yeah, you adjust the wheel width and then adjust the ET for what you assume, and then you can put the tire that you want or planning. I'm trying to get a couple of sizes just to see is what everyone else is driving okay for me, or do I want to go a little bit wider, and everyone says that it's impossible. So I want test and see is it actually impossible, or is just that no one has been even trying with this. So that's my method of madness. I'm seeing that my 215 35 18-inch wheels are close to maximum, but still I can see that with these PC coils there is a room inside, and all this I can bring outside, and actually I have still plenty of meat left there to massage the front fender, and same goes with the back. So this might cause that with this tool I can fit a little bit wider tires there than originally planned, and with this I can order the exact ET and width that I need on the wheels. So that's future things. So that's just a heads up on this device.